Hey everybody, welcome back to the farm. I'm Allison here with Bell's Farms. Today I am going to share with you the easiest, fastest option for multiple meals. This is going to change your weeks. I'm going to talk to you today about pork shoulder. This is also called a Boston butt, pork butt, and I get a lot of questions about why in the world is that? And I will tell you. It is because back in colonial times, pork was preserved in butt kegs. Those are kegs that they used especially in the New England area to preserve pork. And so pork shoulders especially were cut down and stored in these Boston butt kegs, and so they became known as the Boston butt of the pig, and that name has just stuck. But it really is anatomically the shoulder of the pork, of the pig. This is what most people use for pulled pork barbecue, and I'm going to show you how to do that today with a crock pot. So this will take you approximately 5 to 10 minutes total hands-on time, 5 to 10 minutes. You're going to put it in your crock pot. You can put it in for about 4 to 4.5 hours on high or 7.5 to 8 hours on low. It's your choice, whatever you need to do for your family. But all you do is you just take your pork, and this is a 2.5 pound pork shoulder that we offer here at Bell's Farms. It easily will fit into a crock pot, easy peasy. All you do is you just take, I have a mixture here of paprika, onion salt, and some sugar. And you can use that. You can use a prepared mix. There's some mixes out there in the grocery stores that are really, really good. This is one I just make it myself, and I will put the recipe up on our blog. And all you do is you just rub this in. You do not have to have any liquid to go in with this pork shoulder. When you put it in your crock pot, you're just gonna pop it in, turn the crock pot on, cover it, and walk away. Then you'll come back and you will have an awesome, juicy pork shoulder. This will make you many meals throughout the week. You can use it for sandwiches, you can use it on salads, you can use it as a topping for barbecue nachos, you can just use it as in a pork plate. Once this is done, I will show you what I do, but you can collect the liquid and strain it off and then use that as your sauce, or you can use barbecue sauce that you get from the grocery store, or you can make your own. I make my own barbecue sauce and it's super easy. Doesn't take any time. I usually make it a couple of times a year, and it will save in the refrigerator in a mason jar for a long time. So I will show you how this looks when it comes out. I'll see you in a couple hours. Thanks. Okay, we're back. I have had the pork shoulder, sometimes called pork butt, sometimes called Boston butt, in the crock pot on high for 4 hours. Then I removed it from the crock pot and just covered it in a bowl for 20 minutes. I covered it with aluminum foil for 20 to 30 minutes, just let it cool a little bit, rest. And then I've been just pulling it off. That's the hardest part of the whole recipe. So this is just a sampling of it because I am still pulling it. And all you do is just take 2 forks and get in there. It's a thankless task, really. And just get in there and just pull it apart. It comes off the bone really easily. If it doesn't come off the bone easily, that means it probably needs a few more minutes in the crock pot. Now, I make barbecue sauce to put on my pork shoulder because that's how we like it. But you can use the gravy that's made in the crock pot. You can pour that over it. That makes a fabulous sauce for your pork. It's got the spices that you already put on it. Or you can always just buy your own barbecue sauce, your own favorite barbecue sauce, and use that. I had a 2.5-pound pork shoulder, and that is going to make between 6 and 8 main courses. So you can see how long that will last for you. In my house, it makes about 8 servings because I serve it with lots of sides. And so we're able to use it throughout the week. This is just something super easy that I did on a Sunday afternoon after church. Literally, it will take you 5 to 10 minutes of hands-on time. Again, I did not put anything on my pork shoulder except for the rub that I told you all about, and that's just paprika. And however much paprika, you're going to use half of that in sugar. So if you use 2 cups of paprika, you're going to use 1 cup of sugar, and then you're going to use a couple of tablespoons of onion powder, or you can use onion salt. To me, it's a little salty that way, so I use onion powder, and that's it. You don't have to put any liquid in there. You're going to have a great, tender, finished product, I promise. And you'll have a couple of dinners for the week. And who doesn't love pork barbecue, really? So try it. I hope you like it. Let me know if you have any questions. You can hit me up. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook. You can hit our website up, and you can even get my cell number if you need it. But website is www.bellsfarmstn.com. You can find us on Facebook at Bell's Farms TN, Instagram at Bell's Farms. We're on all the things. So y'all have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.